to say, despite this weather though, I am pretty pleased with all my current collaborators. Graphicole.com, she finally has her own studio. Jess and I have already finished podcast number 3. It's sitting in the can awaiting editing. Turcotte and Polkin Productions are currently filming a movie with me that will debut later on this year, plus some additional events that'll be coming up once we get the official word. All the posing music has been finished and completed and out to my clients. I'm glad everything is kind of moving along at that end because I'm pretty out of it right now. My brain's a little fried with all the current activity. Sometimes you just gotta take a break. Sometimes you just gotta go out into the wilderness by yourself. Just kind of let silence take over. It's been a lot of obstacles on the way up, but I've been looking forward to some of the challenges that have been brought upon me. I've created something kind of special. And, you know, the people that I've helped along. And it's cool to just get out here and think about all of it for a minute with none of the traffic or people running around. Just kind of give yourself a moment by yourself before things really start to ramp up. Jess, when did you know at a really young age that you were a total
The day that I met you.
If you want to subscribe, you can go on iTunes, Stitcher, pretty much any downloadable podcast app.
So this is what I would actually like to see out of the podcast.
Okay.
For you to shut up, stop being a and let somebody else talk for a while.
Let's go make bad video.
Yeah, let's do it.
Wait, hold on. One more thing.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking.
Glasses are horrible.
These are awesome. These are my favorite glasses ever.
We not another song, they be quiet all alone. They gon' notice when I'm gone. I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get a win, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show. Know that I'm young and I still gotta grow. Know that I'm working the most, know I'm never gonna choke. And I'm looking back down on the people below. I've been keeping real.